Hello and good morning. This is Misty with a Unique Treasure. It is quite early here, and I needed to get a video done and out so I can run the rest of my errands when everything opens today. But I have this beautiful box in front of me, which I'm really excited about. So let me just tell you really quickly. I seen that Dreamz Etc had a monthly kit that they're starting to do and I was not gonna wait, look into it. I love Dreams, etc. And actually, I haven't visited their site in a while, which I should have, because I do. I love all their work, and the artistry between the mother and daughter is just amazing. The combination is fantastic. So, this is their first box that I got. This is the February box, and like I said, I didn't even know. I didn't look into it. I had no clue what I was doing, or not doing. I knew what I was doing. I was jumping on a good thing, but I didn't know what it was about. Is it just stuff, items, beautiful items to create a journal? I had no thoughts about it. I just knew it was dreams, etc. So I want to show you something that I'm freaking out about this morning. I'm so excited because it's something that I love to do. I love to do odd things, different things, not just journals, right? Journals are great and all, but they're time consuming for me, and I love to be crafty. So this is, look at this. This is the project idea with all the items in this box. And so the launch date is March 4th, 23, for the, so I'm going to go watch the video. And for that's a project demo on Dreams Etc. YouTube channel. And then that the ETA is March 4th, so it's already passed. I don't know if it's up. I'm gonna go check. And the launch date for Journal Project at ETA is 3/25. So they're gonna give you two ideas and instructions, or at least the video to show you how they did it or how to do it. Not sure exactly, but here's the instructions to do this, and this is the altered paintbrush. So and these are just, I mean, look, there's 11 steps. That's exciting. So let's get into the box. The only thing I did was just to take a peek because I had no clue. Should I put black in the background, white in the background, what? So I just got this from Joann's yesterday. It was the last yard. It was just gorgeous. And I thought, well, based on this, I think this would go quite well and not take away. And these have been colors I love working with lately right now. This, blacks and creams and the lavenders and so I just loved when I seen this. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. Other than pulling this off the top, I didn't look inside to see all the goodies that these ladies have. I'm gonna set this aside. And and let me tell you, just from first look, let me give you all the first look. This is loaded, ladies, with everything plus more. So let's pull this out here. So there's some cute little jimmies in there, and it looks like I don't want to undo everything, but I am going to take it out and slide it out enough. I've seen Sheila Ingrid. She's real good about making these beautiful packages, and it takes a lot of work. The presentation takes a lot of work and ironing. So I see her slide these things out, or not slide them out of the cellophane, but like flip through them really nicely. So I figure I can do the same. So here we have I will remove these though. And so we have some beautiful little flowers. These are great for altar paper clips too. And this is a nice piece of that color. And let's see what we got here. So we have a folded up larger piece of lace. And then I love this here. Look at that. I love that. That's so pretty. If I find that in yards, I'm buying it. And of course, this is beautiful, and it's a beautiful color. I don't know if y'all are catching that. My screen looks gray, a little like dull. So I hope this is all lit up here though. So I hope that you're seeing a good visual because this is just beautiful to look at, first thing in the morning for me anyways. And then here's a bunch of little goodies. And my camera's really good about not picking up too much outside noise. I don't know about this bag, so bear with me. If it bothers you, go ahead and mute me until you see that I'm done here with opening this, because they do what I do and we fold it over there. Okay, here we go. All right. Oh, okay. So open on the side. So here we have what's called Wow. I have not seen these, and it's Wow high heels embossing powder. Look at, this is very affordable. I just want to point that out. I've never heard anybody talk prices online, so I'm not going to do that, but this is so affordable. And what I'm seeing here in the instructions and the work that it takes to put these together, and I'm talking about the ideas, everything, it's very affordable. I am very pleased. I will make room in my budget for this continuously now because that's what I was waiting. I was waiting to see if it's something that I could do because I'm on design teams now and I didn't want to just, my craft room really looks like a store. I'm not kidding. 'Cause I still like to shop. So let's see here. I'm excited. We are doing this, ladies. We are getting this done. I'm leaving for a retreat. I have a lot of work to get done for that because we're doing swaps and I'm bringing a bunch of, you know, bringing my utilities, my scissors, my glue, everything. I'm going to bring extras and I have a lot to do before then. And it's April 17th. So I want to get this project done. I do not want to come back to it because I know that it's going to be going on the next month and the kit will be coming soon for the next month probably. I'm not sure if there's every other month or every month. I don't care. I'm in, I'm in, I'm in. And the stickles. So look how much is in this pack. So if I had to go out and buy these things, I would have to buy packs of these things. You can't go buy one except for the stickles, but still, that's fantastic. So I'm going to put this in my own thing because that cellophane is wrapped. But for right now, it's going to go here. The cellophane is not wrapped, it's ripped. And here's some beautiful Prima flowers. So they even like went all out with these. I don't know if you know anything about Dreamz Etc, but I don't know them personally, but I watch her YouTube videos any chance I get. And it's funny. I know I clicked the all on the bell, so maybe they went away for a while. I don't know. But I'm really super stoked that they're back because I will participate in everything they do. Look at these. I said I wasn't going to pull this out. I am. Oh my goodness. Please do not mess this up, Misty. Wow. These images are beautiful. And who is this? Fairy Whispers, Ephemera Pact, I Pact, Blue Fern Studios. Okay, I've heard this name. I have not purchased anything from them yet. And just look at this image. Just this is the back to the ephemera pack, the die cut cardstocks. Not die cut, sorry. Die it says die cut cardstock shapes. Oh my goodness, I am in love. I'm in love. I love beautiful images and I love these colors. Wow, this is amazing. Thank you for putting this together. How gorgeous. I mean, we're making a paintbrush. They got other ideas coming out, journal ideas, things like that. But look at these gorgeous images. Wait, my mother is not up yet, and wait till she sees these. She's gonna be like, I want to get into club too. So I'm happy. That'd be fantastic. Her and I doing this together. Oh my gosh, these are just gorgeous. These are just gorgeous. And then the shapes here, look at the little shapes, the flowers, they look so beautiful. Look at this woman. Oh my goodness. I wish I had, I didn't know it was going to be this, or I wouldn't have cleared this whole area because these are just worthy of definitely showing every single thing. And worthy, meaning that I love them. Like I can't wait. Everybody's got beautiful work. Um, yeah, so you get a couple. What am I doing here? Let's see. This is like this is my favorite part of the pack right here. I love these. These are incredible. So you get the idea. Um, this you can do a lot with this. Several different things, several different projects. The envelopes, the I love altered envelopes that can sit on a desk and you can actually put stuff in them and use, make them for different ephemera, color different ephemera pieces, or if you're working with a particular paper pack, paper or color or theme, like I could take some of these images and make an altered envelope 3 stack, and everything I do and use with this stuff, I can put in the envelopes and set them on my desk, and they look gorgeous. Because right now I use 12 by 12 boxes. Oh, here is more images. Oh, look at this. This is gorgeous, ladies. Look at these. Yeah, I am. I'm pulling things out. I'm sorry. I have to do it. I'm not sorry. I have to do it. They're just gorgeous. Dreams. I love that. Beautiful life. I have one. I have such a great life. I'm so grateful. And let's see here. I mean, the art alone, I love art. I mean, we went to Paris just for the art in France and Monet's house. And so I love art. I will invest in it for sure. I see kids playing music. To me, that's arts, and I will donate, if they are trying to get somewhere. I just really, I've been going to some shows recently. Went to Moulin Rouge, the ballet, and that was pretty neat. But I went to Shenyun. Oh my goodness, ladies, if you have an opportunity to go see that, see it. It is just stunning. If you love color, go. But these are beautiful too. And I'm just so pleased with this. I'm really happy I did this. And so let me put these with that so I can put them away. I can't imagine. Oh my gosh, there's so much more. So here is um, stamps. I don't know if you guys can see them, and this is a key with a bunch of background, beautiful swirlies and words. And then this looks like a partial die cut. So these are really nice ones. Yeah, I think you can see it this way if I hold it this way because of the glare. Those are great. And then this is from Blue Fern Studios. It looks like everything is. So that's nice. They, same themes. That's fantastic. And this is the I have a bunch of it because I love it. I love it, and I'm very stingy with it. I mean, actually, I haven't even opened this, as you can tell, and I have tons of colors up in front of me. But, I'm a collector. But with them, I don't need to collect because guess what? They've got the instructions, they've got the projects. I mean, come on, how lucky are we whoever gets this kit? And then here's a huge, beautiful, what do they call these? Because I have a lot of them actually. But it's thin. This is not a thick one. This is going to lay nice and flat. And it says unique paper craft design. I'm not sure, but it looks like a very thin wood. I have a lot, but they're not as thin as this. And so I do love this. It's great to have. And this is the bottom, but it is packed in full. Let me move the box. Do more what makes you happy. Heck yeah, I agree. There's the paintbrush, it even comes with it. Oh my goodness, that's fantastic. That's fantastic. I'm not going to mix the two here. So let's do this. All right. So if you guys have had experience with Dream Etc, tell me what it is in the comment. If you made something, you can't leave a link, but you can type it in or say, look here. I don't mind if people, I mean, I think we should all encourage each other to go into feeds. And I do that when I watch other creators' videos. I will go and look at their comments, and if it looks like they're a business or, a store or something like that, I'll click on them and go to see if they have videos and check them out. So I encourage you to leave, if you're a creator, if you worked with Dreams, etc., definitely leave your links. Yeah. I'm telling you, ladies, right now, I got a cooking channel I follow because of a giveaway I did, and somebody that does a cooking channel jumped in, and I love it. I'm excited. Okay, so the flower doesn't dream of bee. So this is a different style, but same uh, colors. It's probably the same paper pack, I'm sure, but to me it's a little, I don't know why it makes a difference. The colors are the same, but like this girl and these images look a little different to me. They're all beautiful. Choose kindness. Perfect. Yep, exactly. And these are huge. They're so pretty. I can frame these around on the top of my wall. They're so pretty. Okay, so it looks like a paper pack that they so generously cut up for us and or gave us the rest of something. I'm not sure. That is just stunning. Look at that image. Oh my goodness. That's her right there. But look what they did to her. This is how creative they are. Look, let's see if you can see all of the laces and things in her dress. You can see the little brush here peeking out right there. Oh, this is going to be great. I've not ever done one of these before. So that's going to be a nice first time challenge for me. These are so pretty though. Look at those colors there. Oh, love it. There's another digitizer I won't mention. I can't even remember her name anyways, or his. I don't know, but I came across them. They're just all backgrounds. I love painting. I love painting backgrounds. Oh, look at these. Now we're switching up colors here. These are gorgeous. Yeah, these are right up my alley. I love these things. I hate to cover them up too. I mean, we have to create, right? But oh, it drives me crazy to cover up. Oh, look at her. They're just these women here that I showed you earlier. I'm going on 17 minutes, so I just want to wrap up here and say thank you for joining me. And I look forward to, I might do this project, I'm going to read through the instructions and get everything prepped and maybe do it in a video and show how easy it is to follow her creation so that you could too go to Dreams, etc. and maybe join the club. I'm not on the design team. I don't, they don't sponsor me. I don't have any affiliation with them. I just know that they have amazing inspirational ideas, products, and they're fantastic artists. And the last time I checked and looked into it, it was a mom-daughter team. Anyways, you guys have a blessed, wonderful day. You deserve it. And I will be back. Make sure you leave those comments about Dreams, etc. If you've had experience with them or hey, check me out too. Whatever, just let's support each other and support Dreams, etc. Take care. Bye bye.